Hey everybody, today we are going to be going over this slip roller that we've got in the shop. We don't know what brand or model it is. There is no ID tag on it for that information, so unfortunately we don't know that information. If you happen to know what this is, then please let us know, as we would appreciate it. But overall, we're just going to do a quick rundown on what this can do, and then show you the machine operating here shortly as well. Pretty straightforward drive system. You've got electric motor to give reduction to your final drive. Top roller is powered on this unit. Bottom two rollers are support or follow rollers. This one does have, you'll notice the pneumatic valve up here. So it's electrical power for the drive unit, and then the pneumatic valve actuates our ram, like so, and that's what applies pressure to the bottom rollers. So with that being said, we do have a piece of steel here that we were running through when we were testing it. It is adjustable for the pinch by this stud here. As you'll notice, we don't have it locked because we were just doing this for testing purposes, but there's this one and the one back here. So both ends of the bottom rollers can be adjusted for depth, so you get the correct amount of pressure on your stop that you're feeding through. For this unit, we throw it in there, pinch it down, and as you can see, that's the tightest loop, if you will. If we were to reduce the amount of pressure, you would obviously get a larger loop on it. And this is reversible, so in this case, there's no... And so that's pretty much the basics on how this one operates. Again, we don't have the information as to what the maximum thickness capacity is. This piece of steel that we were using right here is 3/16. Like I said, we don't know what the maximum capacity is, but as you just saw, it does 3/16 very easily, so I would imagine a 1/4 inch would not be a problem, and possibly even a bit thicker than that. So this does have the quick release door here, so that if you are rolling cylinders, you can slide it out on this end once you're finished with that. So if you are interested in this machine, there will be a link in the description below which will be directed to our website listing of this item. There will be the rest of the specifications and contact information, as well as pricing information in that listing as well. So if you have any questions, there will be a contact section on the website as well that you can reach out to us. As always, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.